Hello Twitch and hello YouTube, and welcome to this new dev session about my game PlaxelSS. Okay, so I'm still on my initial setup. So the very first task of this project, I'm still early in the dev and I'm still starting from the tutorial to get a good base to work on. Yeah, so I'm using Taiga as my project management tool to keep track of what I'm currently doing and what I will do next. Yeah, for now there is only one task. I will add the next task in the future. You can access the source code, sorry, of my game on GitHub. Okay, then. So this morning, I finished what I was doing this morning. So currently you can see I'm displaying, it's very tutorial-like images with some kind of issue with the depth of the images, which will be fixed soon. Yeah, and what I would like to do, because for now, normally, my game will be using a compute shader. So I have one from the tutorial. And what I would like to do is, instead of having hard-coded vertices and indices, I would like to have them computed from the compute shader. Yeah. And I will fix a depth testing issue later. So I'm searching for my vertices and indices buffer. So it's this ones. We'll check also the from the tutorial. I want to check how they create the buffer. Shader. So that I have a shader storage buffer object, and that's probably what I need. Yeah, I guess I still have it. So in this case, if I still have it, well. Really, I wonder. Yes, it's probably here. Particle. So I will remove the particle which comes from the tutorial and which I will not need anymore. I'm just wondering if I should maybe keep it and rename it. Yes, maybe. Okay, I need to think. Let's see how the current index buffer is used. It will maybe help me in deciding how my buffer will look like. So somewhere in there I have, no, in there, yes. Here I have hard-coded vertices and indices. So I'm creating a vertex buffer. Okay. Yeah. So what I need is two buffers. Two shader storage buffer, I think. That would be the best. I still need to check something. Because currently the vertex buffer has a size. Buffer size. I want to check the document here. This is a size, okay. I would like to know is draw indirect, maybe. This one, maybe. Because what I want is some kind of I want a custom size, dynamic size. From what I know, this is done with this function here, with indirect. But I will see later on because I will keep things simple for now. So in this case, yeah, the simplest to do is to have one vertex buffer and one index buffer. Let's see if there is a difference between a shader storage buffer and the simple buffer. So let's have this on the right here. So this will be my vertex buffer, and I want to have a look at the shader storage buffer. Storage buffer. So there is a flags and an additional flags. Okay. Okay. In this case, it will be simple. So let's update this. This compute shader, so I don't need the UBO anymore. I will keep things as the simplest possible. It will be an array of vector 3. Let's see the vertex buffer. Okay. So I still need a struct for this. It will be a vertex which is position, color, and text coordinate. I want to test something. because the color, I don't know if I need it. So let's see. Okay. So in my color, no, I'm not using the frag color. So let's simplify. Okay, if I only do this, it will not work. So I need to go to this. Location will be 1. We need to remove let's remove the second parameter. Okay. So I still think there is a I'm missing some updates somewhere, but I want to have a look. Yeah. So it's freezing. Let's see where I am getting this. I'm still learning about all of this Vulkan stuff, so I need to remember where things are used. Vertex in the state. There is probably somewhere something I'm missing. Let me check. So I removed the color and the output. So this is something that I did not take care. This is describing the inputs only. Yeah. I don't remember where. Where should I look at for the output of the vertex shader? Oh, probably when I create the shader. Maybe here. So So this is describing the uniform buffer I have here, I guess. And this is a sampler. It is describing the sampler that I have here with binding 1. This is the right descriptor, but the same. The buffer and the image. So where is it? Maybe from the draw command. Bind vertex buffer, so I'm binding. Maybe it's automatic. I'm binding the vertex buffer at location 0. And then at location 1, I get the text coordinate. For the index buffer, it's the index buffer is used where it's hard-coded for the index buffer. Let's have a look at the pipeline layout. Pipeline layout. So for this, I have layout count, descriptor set layout. I'm getting to what I want. Okay, binding 0. From buffer. That's what I had before. So I still don't know how to apply this change to the maybe I don't need to. Xcode. Okay, it comes from this. So maybe I can have a look at the error. So it seems that I'm using the same attribute location. Let's see at the line 17. Okay, what did I do wrong? Oh, okay. This is probably my error. Okay, let's see if I can make sure that I won't. Yeah, I would like to avoid making the same mistake again. Maybe I can use a vector. Okay, let's use a vector. And this way I can probably avoid the mistake. So what I need is I will use pushback, but probably it will say that emplace back is better. Let's see, I want to know if I have a nice constructor for this. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure about that, but I can probably do something like and then offset. If I can do it like this. Maybe I can have everything on different lines. No. It's formatting automatically on one line. It's also kind of okay to have it on one line. It's first location and then binding. Then location 1. Format is this one. Offset text code. That way it's better. Then I will change the signature to vector. Okay. If I have some luck, it will work, otherwise, no. Change the signature here. Then okay, this is working, and I removed the useless color. I will commit this little change. Remove unused flag color from text and shade, vertex and fragment shaders. Okay. Now I simplified a bit the object for the vertex. Now I can go back to this object. I wonder if there is any alignment issue. I can try to check after. Check alignment. At least I know I can have a problem with the alignment. So what I will do is simple. I will remove this shader storage buffer completely. Because I will only be using the vertex buffer and the indices buffer. It will be a vec3 position and vec2 text card. Vertex vertices. Vertices. I don't have any. Well, I also have another thing, which will be the indices. Binding one. And for the indices, it will be something like, well, probably not this type. Well, I don't know. It will be something like this. Uint says 16. So I'm not really familiar with the types in the compute shader. So I will see if they are talking about it. Let's see, Vulkan types, data types. Two vector 3 int. This documentation is from OpenGL. So int is 32 bytes apparently. But at least in my example, I only need, I'm using 16 bytes. Max value. Probably it's enough. At some point, maybe it won't be enough, but at least I want to know if I can use 16 bytes type. Maybe they have short. It seems to be a bit not standard to use 16 bytes, so I will use a standard 32 bytes. Will be okay. I just need to change at some point the definition. Okay, so I don't have this create shader storage buffer function anymore. So now I need to fix. Okay. So I was using an iframe buffer before, which I don't need anymore. Well, I'm still using this object, but before it was another object. And this object is not used for the compute shader, so I need to change a bit. Okay, so let's remove this part. No, not this part. This part we need to remove. I prefer to use vector if it's possible. If it's possible, I want to I'm thinking at the same time if maybe if I will need to have a two descriptor white, but I will see. It's not important right now. Maybe to be right to have the list of arguments. Descriptor white. So yeah, I don't really like to. Okay, let's do it differently then. We'll declare the object just before. Like this. Then let's keep it logical. Descriptor right. And then actually I need to do it like this. Oh, was not the right type. Like this. Then I can do something like push back, which from what I remember is maybe not the best way to add to a vector, but okay, it's not complaining. So let's see. And for what is it? Okay. So this will be the vertex buffer. The range will be something like size of vertex, and let's rename this to max vertex count. Okay, we'll see later on to have something a bit more maybe dynamic. Okay, and then I need the second one. Let's name it 2. I would prefer to have a function to refactor it into a function. That would be better. The second one will be the index buffer. Size of Would be something like size of. Let's see. I'm not sure about that. Well, let's see above. So I would be using 32 bytes. So let's have another one. Max index count. With the binding one. Okay, that should be okay. Next, I want to create the vertex buffer as a shader SSBO. To do it, I need to go into my $here. Okay. We need to have a look at this part here. So to create my buffer, I need so first it's creating a staging buffer. So do I need a staging buffer? I don't think so. But let's keep a staging buffer anyway. So in the vertex buffer, I will be copying the the vertices data. But then okay, I just need to add the storage buffer bits. And the device local, it's fine. Okay. Next, the index buffer, it's the same. The storage buffer. This device local. I did not check the size. The buffer size, I actually want it to be the max index count. And here I want the max vertex count. And then I still need to modify something. I need to modify the draw command. Let's see where it is. Maybe there. Okay, to dispatch my compute shader, I actually want only one instance currently, so let's have a look also. Here I need also only one on local size, so this code will be run only once, and I will change this part. For now, it's just to test the integration of my compute shader. Okay, and then the document, not this one. Okay, maybe I don't need anything else. Let's see. Ah no, I forgot. Okay, I need to change what is happening here, and I will simply remove everything, so nothing will be happening. Okay. So there is a validation error. Okay, I know what I forgot. Normally it should be in the header, but I will remove also this particle struct. I want to have all of this into the header instead of into this place. Okay, Sophie, if I'm not mistaken, okay, probably I'm missing one. No, okay. I have to look at the example that I removed. Here. Okay. That's not a good place. It's probably... Okay, I see where it could be. Maybe somewhere in there. I will compare with the compute descriptor sets are removed from there. Actually, I did not remove it, but I should. I should remove it. Well, no, I don't. No, I should not remove it. I should update it. My mistake. Okay. Storage buffer, storage buffer. I already updated it, but what is a mistake then? Descriptor set layout. Maybe it is in the layout. Because here I have storage buffer, storage buffer. Unless, okay. Let's see. If I'm not mistaken, you need to do something like this. No, not okay. I was afraid that my object will be disconstructed. No. No, I'm not. I was mistaken thinking that this was outside of the scope, but no. So the layout, maybe. Yes, it is the layout. But not this one. This one is about the drawing, but not about the compute shader. Yeah, it's probably a mistake to have the layout is inside the base renderer, and normally it should not. Let's move the... Where is it? The compute descriptor set layout. I will move it to the renderer. I'm still missing one object, the compute descriptor set. I did not see it here. Maybe I'm not keeping. It's here. Okay. I will keep it next to the layout. Okay. Now let's have a look at this function. I want to move it. Let's move it here. I need to move the function also. I don't remember moving it already. Compute descriptor set layout. So I have a function in the base renderer. It's because it's case sensitive. Okay. Then I will create the missing function above this one. Let's go back to my renderer. So now I'm creating the layout and then I need to modify it. So before in my compute shader we had this parameter and this one. So two parameters. I don't know why I already have 3 bindings. And 2. Let's see. Base under. I'm not sure why there is a 3 bindings. Maybe I know. Okay. It's my fault. I forgot to remove it after I did some modification before. So now I will have 2. Okay, I will also change it to a vector because I don't want to repeat the size at multiple places. So if I do it like this, I have first the binding, the descriptor type, then I have the descriptor count, then the stage flags. Shader, stage flag, compute, and then I guess I can stop there. Okay, now for the second one, layout bindings size. Okay. Okay, let's see if it's working now. In this here I need to extract a function maybe. A bit like I did at where here. Okay, so let's do it in the same way. Get compute type line layout info. So let's go to the base renderer. So I have a virtual function somewhere in the protected part. Here. Oh no, if I go there, I have what I need here. Then let's implement the function. Get compute. I don't need the parenthesis. And then it declares that I'm overriding the method from the base class. Okay, that's great. Let's see if everything is working well. No. Ah, okay, because I forgot. No. I'm implementing it at this place here. Yeah. Ah, yes, okay. I understand. Because I provided a default value for this function, and yeah, I will probably do the same for the compute pipeline layout info. Okay. So it's not working, but at least you have no error. In this case, let's have a look at this tool, which which can be nice for debugging display issue. Launch application, so I will launch the application. I forgot. Okay, I captured one frame. No resource. Yeah, I don't see anything. Let's see. In my the compute shader, I have these two buffers, which I'm doing nothing, and I'm trying to use them. Where is it? I'm trying to use them here. This maybe this is a problem. Let's have the correct index type. And this, okay. It's a bit strange that I did not see anything in this debugging tools. Okay, so I really have nothing. That's strange. Maybe it's because I don't know how to use. Okay, I would like to see how I'm supposed to use this tool. Oh. Okay, apparently I was not looking at the right. The byte length is big because yeah, it's really big. Oh, I can have a look. That's great. I can see. Ah, yeah, that's really a great tool to debug. And then I have a lot of unmapped memory with some kind of default values. But I'm using the index count is limited, so it's okay. Then I would like to see also the text buffer. No, this was the vertex buffer. I want to have a look at the index buffer. I don't remember where. How did I get to look at this memory? Yes. Okay, and here I have the indices, which I can look at. Above here. Yes. This one. And the maximum number of elements is this number. Yeah, everything is working properly. Well, as expected at least. Okay. Sometimes I don't like the way the IDE is auto-formatting. Probably related to the crank format I'm using, but I would have preferred if it was formatting everything in a columns like this. So apparently there was no alignment issue. No, actually I don't know, because I'm not updating anything in my compute shader. So let's commit this. So I did not I only did the integration of my compute shader with the vertex buffer and the index buffer, and nothing else, but that's still worth it. So let's say bind the vertex buffer and index buffer to the compute shader. No, the test I will be doing is something like vertices 0. No. I need to call it like this. No, that was right. Vertices 0. So, okay, let's do a simpler test because I'm not sure how to access. If I do this, normally I will. Let's check. I will have some kind of null triangle, so there will be a triangle missing. What is the problem? Okay. I'm afraid that there will be some kind of issues like this. Okay, so let's update descriptor set. Let's have a look at what is update descriptor set. Okay, I'm not sure about the solution to this problem, but I will try. I'll try to do something. I don't know why I lost the syntax coloration. Okay. It's really nicer with the coloration. Okay, I got it back. So what I would like to do is to add a new... and again, I lost the coloration. It's really strange. Put it back. Let's see if I have a way. Yes, I can do it like this, but okay. Looking at this, here they are replacing pushback by onPlaceback with a STD move. So interesting, because for me it's I knew about this only this morning. Reference, so maybe I get the reference here. I'm not sure about that. I want to check if I can do something like yeah, apparently I can. Okay, it's interesting. I don't know about this. Apparently it's because of SonarLint. I don't know how I can make it so that it's not running every time. No, okay. I don't want to automatically trigger analysis. Let's see. Is it okay to reuse the same variable? Yeah. Maybe Sonar will be complaining about it. Okay, then what I want to do, I want to add the index buffer. No. I need to check something before. No. I closed the IDE. So I need to get the count. Maybe I forgot to set it. I guess I need to do this. No. The scriptor count is here. Not sure what I'm doing wrong here. So there is a conversion from a vector to a array proxy, but I think it should be okay. Actually, I know it's okay because I'm doing it here. So there is something that I'm doing wrong here. Maybe I know. Okay, I guess I know. I need to add something like this. Well, I'm really not sure about that. Again, I'm trying to close my my project window. It seems to change. It happens. Hmm. Okay, let's try differently then. I don't like this solution because there is the risk of mixing the two variables normally. Here I should be working only on this one, and here only on this one. It's working well. Let's see if I remove this. Ah, I know why it's not working like this. Yeah, it makes sense. Because if I'm removing this, I'm just making a copy of the object here. Okay, I wanted to check the error. Let's go at the beginning. Binding 1, index 0. Okay, I'm trying to understand a bit how I'm supposed to modify the, well, to make the call to the right, in the right place. I'm just checking if I have a different descriptor pool for the computation, for the compute shader or not. Layout. Okay, in this case, descriptor set layout. Yes, this one is specific to I'm trying to see what makes the distinction between the compute part and the graphics part. Probably it's related to where I'm using the descriptor set. Okay. Here I'm binding the descriptor set. We can see there is the part with the compute pipeline, and there is a part with the pipeline. Okay. Then it's saying that binding 1 index 0. So binding 1 index 0 is in the compute shader part. Pipeline create descriptor buffer bit. I will probably have to look at some tutorial on how to mix the compute shader and some buffers that are used for draw. Let's see. Let's have a look at the compute shader tutorial. We're already using some kind of synchronization between the compute part and the graphics part. So here they are binding the vertex buffer. Okay, I will make a test, which hopefully will be working. I still want to check. I want to check how to manipulate the data in the shader here. Normally, I can do something like F. Yeah, this will modify this position. Then I will comment this part. Oh, okay. I can see that it's working. So it seems that the vertex buffer, I can modify it. Maybe because I have the correct settings for the vertex buffer. For the index buffer, there is probably something missing about it. So let's have a look at the difference. Okay, this part seems to be the same. No, I don't know what is the problem with this index buffer. Buffer bit. Let's see what is this buffer bit. I don't understand the difference between the two buffers. Seems that I'm doing the same thing, except that one is a vertex buffer and the other one is an index buffer. Maybe it's related to this attribute here. Not even using it somewhere. Okay, so the error seems to be related to the descriptor set, which is the part where I am here. Oh no, my bad. And that's what I wanted to avoid before. This is something that I need to change. So I still have some issues. What is the problem again? Buffer. Ah, maybe I'm not creating the index buffer before. Index buffer. No, I am. Ah, again, same mistake. I really should avoid this, this problem. Okay. You can see that it's working. In this case, what I want to do, I want to move well before that. Let's comment and commit because I fixed some issues. Okay, I want to check something here at the line 294. Can I do something like this? Is this? Well, no. No. Okay, I should find a way that that is somewhat error-proof. I could have a function to wrap this, but okay, I will see the next time. Okay, so I will probably continue a bit on my side outside of the stream then, and next Monday I will continue working on this project. Ah no, actually I wanted to finish at 45. Yeah, let's continue a little bit. So I would like to see C++ assign variable by reference. I did not yeah, I used C++ in school a long time ago. There is some things I'm not familiar with. See. This is a pointer, so normally that's what I'm not sure about. If I do this, I'm not sure it will work. Well, it was not working before, so I guess it won't work. Yeah. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to make it work. Hello, Eternal Divine Fox. I'm trying to... Yeah. I have something working, but I wanted to avoid... to do something a bit error-proof in the way I'm writing things. And yeah, This is the expected result with an obvious issue with depth, but it's normal, it's expected. And I don't want when I'm doing things like that, because I can do some mistake, like forgot to add a two here, and things like that. And I wanted a nice way. Maybe I should avoid using variable. I could do something like this. Like I first need the descriptor set. Then I need the binding, the array element, descriptor count, descriptor type, then what is it? Image info. I guess I don't have this one. The descriptor buffer info. So this one I have. And that's it. I'm not a big fan of this because, for example, here I could have avoided it, to specify this parameter. But at least this way I don't have any... Okay. Maybe I have a way to do it. Okay, let's see. I can probably do better. But I'm not sure. If I'm right, I can do something like... No. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this way of writing things. But I will keep it like this for now, and at some point I will improve a bit the way of declaring the variable. Yeah, I will just commit this and I will fix descriptor set mistakes. Okay. I have a call, so I just need to come back shortly. Okay. I missed the call, but I don't know who it was. Should be fine. Yeah, so fix descriptor set variable naming mistakes. And then what I want to do is to initialize all of my, or at least one. I don't need to have exactly the same array. I want to initialize this kind of array into my compute shader. So let's see. I will at least do one of them. So if I remember correctly, I can do something like this. So there is position and text code. So let's start with a triangle first. So I need 3 vertex. So the second one is this one. This, and the third one is this one. Okay. For the indices 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. If I'll start. Okay, I see. It's a bit different than what I expected actually. Because if, where is it? Because I should see the other. If I do it like this, I have all the other vertices and index. And then strange. Okay, but that's a start, and I will continue on my side probably, and then yeah. So tomorrow on Wednesday, I will work on my web app project, and for the game development, I will continue next Monday. Okay. See you then, and thanks for watching. Bye.